One of the things that will help you make more sales is consistently generating leads for your product and your services. On this video, I'm going to show you how to generate quality leads on WhatsApp using Facebook ads. Whether you are selling your product or you are selling your services, this video is going to show you how to generate quality leads directly to your WhatsApp using Facebook ads. All you have to do is like this video so that YouTube will show it to more people, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what do you need? The first thing you need is your ad creative. One of the things that will help you run a successful Facebook or Instagram ads is your ad creative. The mistake a lot of people make is to just limit your advert to just one ad creative. You need to have at least 2 to 4 ad creative as a start. The reason behind that is that you need to test different ad creatives, and then you find out what we call the winning ads for your product or your services. So make sure you have at least 2 to 4 ad creatives in place for you to test. The next thing you need is your WhatsApp business account. For you to be able to generate leads on your WhatsApp, you need to have WhatsApp business accounts. And then finally, you need to have a good offer. This is something a lot of people don't pay attention to. One of the things that will help you generate more sales and also make your advert successful is your offer. What kind of offer are you making on your advert? You need to think about this. Make sure you have an irresistible offer that you're offering to your target audience. So if you have this in place, let's head over to the Ads Manager and let me show you how you are going to set up your advert. This is the Facebook Ads Manager, and I believe that you know how to get here. What you need to do is to come here, click on Create, and you're going to select the campaign objective. I know we are generating leads for our services, but if we are going to use WhatsApp, we are going to select the sales ads objective. The reason why you want to select the sales objective is to improve the quality of leads you are collecting on your WhatsApp. You can also choose to test the lead campaign. There's nothing wrong with that. But personally, I like to use the sales ads objective when I'm running ads directly to my WhatsApp. So I'll click on continue, click on manual sales campaign, click on continue. You want to name your campaign. So let's say I'm generating leads for maybe my ebook. How to sell to reach clients. That's just an abbreviation, and this is just a personal preference. I like to add the months. Then I also like to add the number of campaign. In this case, it's just one. So I'll scroll down, leave everything as it is, click on next. And asset name. Personally, I like to name asset on the location I'm targeting. In this case, this is Lagos. Now, conversion location. This is where you're going to select messaging app. Drive sales and conversation through Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. This is where you're going to select the messaging app. And once you do that, you scroll down. Come here on select Messenger, on select Instagram. Leave it at WhatsApp. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that your number is connected. In case you have different business WhatsApp, you can connect another number here. And scroll down and go to your daily budget. Now, I always advise you start with 5,000 naira per day. Scheduling of your adverts. I always like starting my advert the next day by 5 or 6 a.m. This is because you want to give Facebook, at least for the first 48 hours, you want to give Facebook enough time to show your advert to as much people as possible, and also optimize your advert so that you can find your winning ads. leave the end dates. Now, audience control, come here. It sets Lagos. You can choose now, show more options, minimum age, make this at least 25, depending on your target audience. You need to understand who you are running your ads to. Then come down here. Now, there is the thing. You can also switch to original audience options. But because I've already done that by restricting my age to minimum age of 25, I don't need to do that. So I'll scroll down, placements. This is where I'm going to edit this. It's always advisable for you to test only one platform at a time. So I'm going to select manual placement. And then, since we are going to run the adverts only on Facebook, I'm going to unselect Facebook. Sorry, I'm going to unselect the audience network, Messenger, and Instagram, and allow only the advert to run on Facebook alone. Now you can choose to insert this, but there's a reason why you want to leave it at only one platform. And that reason is that you want to understand which of the platform is giving you most of your results. Now you can also duplicate this advert and then test it for Instagram. So make sure you only test one platform at a time. So you're going to come down and then click on next. So you're going to name your adverts. I like to name it ad 1. Here is a video, is a carousel. So maybe video 1. And identity. What you want to do is to select the Facebook page you want to use for your adverts. Another thing you need to know is that your WhatsApp number, your WhatsApp business number, has to be connected to that Facebook page you are selecting. So please take note of that. Scroll down, and then this is where you're going to select. Do you want your format to be a single image or video? Do you want it to be carousel? I'm going to leave it at single image or video. Now there is the thing. I want you to untick this because it can be distracting. You don't want your advert to appear alongside other adverts. It can be very distracting, so you want to unselect that. Now the next thing is your ad creative. This is where you are going to add your media. Remember, we selected video, so I'm going to add a video. You're just going to add a video of your product or your service, whatever you are selling, whatever you are generating leads for. Make sure you add it here. Like I said, make sure you always test videos, always test carousels, always test static images, GIFs, and all those things. Test everything until you find your winning ads. So I'm going to add my media and then scroll down. This is where I'm going to add my ad copy. Already written down something here. It's very important you take your time and write your ad copy, because that is one of the things that will help Facebook show your advert to the people you want them to show them to. I created a detailed video on how you can test your adverts. Just go to my YouTube channel and look for the video with this thumbnail. I'll also leave the link to the video in the description of this video. So go and watch that video. We are going to learn how to test your advert and find your winning ads. So make sure you watch that video. So once you have inserted your primary text, which is your ad copy, you want to scroll down and then add your headline. You sign up now. Even running ads for a free training, or just say sign up now. And grab your so you can come here look at how your advert looks like. We are not done yet. So the next thing you want to do is to come here, send WhatsApp message. This is what you're going to use as your call to action, because you are sending people to your WhatsApp. And when you scroll down, there's something called the message template. This is what you are going to use to encourage people to start a conversation with you. So I'm going to quickly edit this. Now this is where the magic happens. When people click on your adverts, you are going to send them a welcome message. Now let's say I'm running adverts for my free training. I'm going to tell them, hello, thank you for indicating interest in our free training. Please click the link below to join our group. Hurry now, or close the or close the group once with reach 500 registrants. So the first message will send automatically to them if they click your advert. Now the second message is what we call a pre-filled message. This is the message they're going to send you if they decide to go ahead and send you a message on WhatsApp. So you are going to add something here, something like this. Hello Peter, I want to register for your free training. Please add me to the group. So let me recap. This particular message is what is going to send to them only if they click on your advert. If they click on your advert and they don't even send you a message, you're going to send them this message. This second one is what they're going to send to you if they decide to send you a message. Now, one thing you want to do is to also set up an autoresponder that will help you send them a message immediately after they send you a message, so that you don't waste their time and you don't lose out on the leads. So make sure you set up an autoresponder for your leads. Now, if you want me to create a video showing you how to set up an autoresponder for your WhatsApp, please let me know in the comment section and I'm going to shoot that video for you. Save this template so you can use it in the future. You're going to give it a name. Let's say HT message free training. And then click on save. So we have, believe everything is ready. What you need to do is to come here, preview your advert to make sure everything is set up properly. Make sure everything is set up properly. Okay, perfect. So once you ensure that everything is set up properly, the next thing you want to do is to come here and quickly duplicate. Remember what I said, you need to test different ad creatives. Test different ad creatives. You're going to test a video against a video. So I'm going to test another video. What I want to do is to just come here. The other one was ad 1. This one is going to be ad 2. So I'll scroll down, come to where we have the media, edit media, and change the video. So I'm just going to add another video here. Just come here, add another video, and click on next. Don't worry, nothing is going to happen to your other adverts. Remember, you duplicated this one, so all you need to do is to check if everything is there. Always cross-check. Always cross-check. Everything is fine. Everything is perfect. So once you've confirmed that everything is perfect, come here and click on publish. Always give your advert at least 48 hours. Now the thing about running adverts is that you are going to lose some money, but in the long run, you are going to gain a lot. So test your advert for at least 48 hours before you turn it off. Test your advert for at least 48 hours. Again, if you want to learn how to test your adverts and find your winning ads, go and watch this video. Look for the link in the description of this video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.